for only 685,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na itong napakasariwang Montero natin. I got you ulit! Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival. 2013 Mitsubishi Montero GLSV, automatic transmission, exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 18 inches wheels at makakapalang tires. At sa harap, projector headlights, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at functional vents para sa intercooler turbo niya. At sa engine, it's a 2.5 liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder automatic transmission engine at yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At sa pinakalikod, orig pa yung mga lens, high trim GLSV, chrome garnish at sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space at kompleto ng tools, peta, and jack. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at napakagandang design ng dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, secret storage dito, automatic transmission, 2 cup holder, center console, at napakaayos na steering wheel. May mga controls rin dito at may paddle shifter. Analog display with 71,000 kilometers on the clock only at vanity mirror on both sides at may shade holder na rin to. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 patang height ko. Meron siyang air vents, aircon controls at armrest na may 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row, 6 patang height ko pero napakaluwag ng space at meron siyang overhead vents at 2 cup holders. So this is the 2013 Mitsubishi Montero GLSV automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 685,000 pesos lang mauuwi na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na. Sobrang sariwa at sobrang ganda na ito. Thank you guys. Hinihingal ako. Peace out.